Unseasonably warm and incredibly dry. You know, October should be our second wettest month of the year, but here we are in the midst of a nearly rain-free stretch. 47 days now with 1/100th of an inch. That's what we saw Friday or less. The last rain heavier than that, 4/100ths of an inch. Back on September 5th. Then, in case you're wondering, we're 17th longest streak. The record is 65 days in 1993 with no rain at all. But we definitely need a change. Right now, next 7 days, that change is going to be hard to come by. I have no real rain or meaningful rain in the forecast, although 1 week from today it wouldn't totally shock me if we wake up to some patchy drizzle, so I did insert a 10% rain chance. As for temperatures today, we topped out at 89 degrees, which is more like September, and 89 is cooler than any single day I have in the next 7 days in your forecast. High pressure pretty much in charge out toward the east. We've got this low off toward the north and west, but it's not heading toward us. Instead, it's going to kind of fizzle out. So we will be dominated basically by high pressure at the upper levels, which will pump in the heat. Plus, with that high at the surface to our east, that pumps in the southerly winds, which bring in, the humidity. So overnight tonight, it's crystal clear right now, but by daybreak, patchy fog and low clouds will develop. Our low only 66 degrees. I'm anticipating there could be some pockets of potential fog, especially east of I-35, less than 1 mile. The fog dissipates, the sunshine breaks out, and temperatures soar. Not quite to records for tomorrow. I'm forecasting a high of 91 degrees. The record is 94, set in 2003. But as we make our way later on in the week, instead of having records in the mid-90s, our records drop down into the low 90s, and that could mean record territory. Oscar, just a remnant low now. Hurricane Christy, no effect for us. It's heading out toward the west through the Pacific, and what we'll be watching for is a change. Red means above average temperatures. We're still waiting. And if you were watching yesterday, I was talking about a potential cold front for Halloween. Right now, some computer models are still suggesting that this front could come through and maybe bring us some rain for Halloween. Others, though, stalling that front to our north, keeping the warmer air in place and really not giving us a meaningful change. And that's over a week away. So we'll keep you updated on that. Red boxes are records Saturday, Monday, and Tuesday.